That happens to us. I was like, oh no, I don't know it's fuel. Yeah, we had to have her come in and fix it. Oh, okay, thank you.
We'll fix it.
Oh, I have to fix it. Yeah, it's much
It does. Well.